Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. This is my crafty den and I'm really glad you could join me today as well. And I am going to set my social media planner up for May. And when I say May, I'm going to do something a little bit different this month. So I've been doing a layout every week in my social media planner, but there's not a lot of planning that happens. It's just decorating because I can't pre-plan in this planner. If I did that, I'd be giving everything away. But there are some things that I want to put down in here and I just decorate. So with that being said, I've decided to change it up. I'm going to decorate my whole month in one video. So I'm going to do my currently page. I'm going to do my monthly setup and I'm going to do all 4 weeks. So I am going to do all that. Then I'm going to speed it up so that this can be a length that is watchable without being too painful. And yeah, don't laugh. Sometimes I feel like that when I'm watching really long videos. And yeah, so anything over an hour for me, I don't put on. Like I just don't put on. To me, I may as well be watching a good movie. I like to keep my videos normally under a half an hour. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to see where it takes me. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy seeing all 4 of the finished spreads. I'll slow down at the end and do a flip through. So as promised, here is the flip through of what the whole month of May is going to look like in my social media planner. So I have taken the currently page and just divided it with, I used these eucalyptus leaves and the strawberries and different flowers just to divide up this currently page, because I make myself notes about things that I have to do throughout the month. And to do that, I used the washi tape from this set. You can find this set. I'm just going to leave the picture of the box, but you can find this set on Amazon. If I can find a link, I'll put it below. And then for my month at a glance, I still used this, but there is just this little roll, and all it has is these little florals. So there's these little like vases with flowers and little flowers without the vases. So I just put some floral tape across the bottom out of this set. I cut all these little flowers apart and put them on here. And then down on this bottom corner, I used the washi tape from the washi tape shop. And this one is called, I'm going to go to my swatch book and find it for you. Oh, here it is right here, this one. So it's called Lovely Garden, and it's from the Washi Tape shop. So if you just go there, and as soon as you type in Lovely Garden, if this is still available, it'll come up when you search. So that's Lovely Garden. And then for each week, I did the same thing. So for this week, week 18 is the 18th week of 2023. That's what the week 18 means. So from May the 1st to the 7th, I used the glitter tape from the Dollarama set that I got for $3. Now it says glitter tape, but there's no glitter fallout, zero glitter fallout on this tape. So, but you can't tear this like a washi. So you'll have seen that I was using my X-Acto knife when I was cut this, because that's the easiest way for me to do it. So any little blade that you have will cut this, or a pair of scissors. But I used the Lilac Garden washi tape here. So I have my 3 rows for both my YouTube channels and for my Instagram. So that's week 18. Week 19 of this year is May 8th to the 14th. And this is where I decided that I only needed the 2 rows of washi. If I put my decor right across this row, then I can write here, and then I've got my little dots down below. All the little dots are from this sheet that came out of my budget sticker book from the Happy Planner. So again, the glitter washi. I just wanted something, I was looking for something in a pale green, but what I had was this greenish blue color. Very, very pretty. And I used the bunnies and the white florals, and that is still from this washi tape right here. This is the vase that you see right here. So it's still this washi, but I didn't use any of the whites in this one, and I didn't use a lot of the lilacs on this one. So that made it do 2 weeks, that roll of washi. And then week 20, I wanted to use some florals again. I'm going to have to order some more of the florals from the Washi Tape shop, these wide florals, because they're super easy to use. I just fussy cut a long strip of them out and put them down, and it works just fabulous. But on this one, I decided to use that charcoal gray glitter tape, and I used this washi right here, and it's a winter, like a Christmas winter washi, but in these unique colors. What was it called? It is called Frosty Rose. So it does have these kind of little holly shaped leaves, but because they're not green, you just get that overall effect of a dusty rose and a dark purpley gray floral. And I think it's really, really pretty. And I decided to use it in May anyway. I didn't care if it was for winter. And then for the last week, I wanted to finish that flowers sticker book from the Happy Planner. And the only thing that I have left in that sticker book is these 2 flowers and a couple of these little bits of leaves at the end. So this is basically done. I've used the whole sticker book, but that's only because I love my florals, guys. I mean, florals in any color is just fine with me. Now this is just a gold polka dot washi that I've had for years. I haven't even wound this back up again. I don't buy these much anymore because they're the ones that you have to peel the backs. I mean, you have to do that with the Washi Tape shop ones as well. But when they're a wide washi, I find that it's worth it. And I cut these out, so that's okay. But these little narrow ones that are like that are just really awkward to put down. So I just used the last of those little bits of floral, that little bit of washi, and the green dots from that budget sticker book. And my whole month is done. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love the fact that my whole month is done. I don't have to worry about this planner again until it's time to prep for June. And I can go, if I decide I want to do a video ahead of time and post it, I can now move ahead and put that down. So this is just going to be really, really functional for me. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I hope that you like it just half as much as I do. If you enjoy seeing me do the whole month instead of having to do all of these little weeks one by one, let me know, because I would prefer to do it this way and do my weekly plan with me in the DIY planner that I made in my bullet journal. That's my functional week-to-week one, and this is social media. I like doing this. I mean, look at this, guys. It's just so, so pretty. Oh, yeah. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you're watching. And I will put links to all of these washies down below if I can find them. But I mean, mostly just go to the Washi Tape shop and just search for the washies. I mean, you'll see them there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that now before you leave. I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family and come back and visit. And I'll see everybody in the next one. Until then, take care, everybody. Bye-bye for now.